I mean, the biggest thing to me about EVs is you still have to have electricity. And where you get that.
Everyone forgets that aspect. Everyone's like, oh, electric vehicle. No one talks about that.
Now, I know a guy who has a Tesla, and his front license plate says powered by coal, because that's just the reality of it. You move the source of the CO2, and a point source is probably easier to collect than a mobile source, and directionally maybe that kind of makes sense, but it's still a big bridge to cross with all the infrastructure you need to move more power. It's just a fact, right? Where we make solar and wind-based power isn't where you consume it, which means you got to move it. And that just becomes quite the challenge. I'm not saying clever people aren't working on this, and we watch them closely. And I think there's some working on not big three-bladed windmills, but these windmills that kind of spin on a cylinder with some blades on it that can really adjust. Actually, I think Bill Gates's foundation or something company's working on that. It seems promising and less of a impact on the environment when you install that. So again, clever people are working it. I think the problem's pretty gigantic. So our industry's got to do a better job maybe of advertising how we help the world develop. All the health issues, food spoilage, just agriculture in general, and all the benefits that come. We have a pollution problem, as everyone knows, and we got to take care of plastic in the oceans. But to me, it's about collecting and containing, and then we'll figure out the best way to reuse it in the long run.